Have you ever wondered how it was even possible for some people to make so much money with little effort, whilst for others, they have to work tirelessly day and night, putting in the hard work, constantly working 9 to 5, trading their time for money just to make ends meet, just to get that salary at the end of the month? You've probably watched a few videos out there with people telling you can make money whilst you sleep, you can make money whilst you relax with your family, with your loved ones, whilst you travel the world, and whilst you finally live a fulfilled life. Is it real or is it just a myth? Is it perhaps a scam? And how is it even possible? The reason why some people out there are able to make a lot of money with minimal effort is simply because they figured out a way to make the money work for them on complete autopilot. Rather than slaving away 9 to 5, 24/7, trying to figure out how to make money every single day, they've actually figured out a way to make money work for them. This is called the reverse psychology of money. So how exactly do you make your money work for you? Is probably your next question. Well, this is called working passively. Now, there's a massive difference between passive income and active income. Now, active income is what a lot of us are already used to. You go to work, you work 9 to 5, Monday to Friday, Monday to Sunday perhaps. You probably do some overtime to earn extra income. Now, this is called active income, or working actively, because you're actively involved in the process. You're actively trading your time for money. You're actively working yourself day and night. If you don't show up to work, you do not get paid. When you work 9 to 5, you get paid for the hours you're working 9 to 5. When you go home at night and you're spending time with your family, your loved ones, you're sleeping at night, you're not getting paid for those hours that you're not actively working on the job. Now, this is what you call active income. Now, for those of you who are perhaps self-employed, you could be a hairdresser, a photographer, perhaps maybe you're running a restaurant or you're just running a shop. You're equally trading your time for money. If you shut down your business, you're not gonna make any money. Working actively can lead to a lot of stress, it can lead to depression, it can lead to anxiety, it can lead to frustration, because you're constantly working, exerting that energy, trading your time for money, and does eventually get to you. Passive income, on the other hand, is when you're actually able to scale. You're actually able to take control of your finances. Instead of constantly working hard for money, you can actually make your money work for you. Not to say you're not going to do anything, you're just going to sit down and just click on a button and money will start automatically coming into your business. That is definitely not what I'm talking about. You're going to have to put in the hard work initially, but once you have everything set up, you can easily make your money work for you in the long run. Now, with a 9 to 5 job, you will need to work that job or run that business until retirement, okay? So you're constantly working until you may be able to save up so much money that you decide to stop working. But either way, you're gonna have to invest a lot of time, invest a lot of effort, a lot of energy, working hard on that job or that business to sustain it, to make money out of it. With a passive business, on the other hand, however, you only have to implement the strategies for a short time in order to achieve long-term success. You will need to get things set up. It's going to be tough initially, but once you have everything set up, your business can start making money for you whilst you sleep, whilst you travel, whilst you relax with your family and loved ones. Is it possible? Definitely possible. But you will need to put in a little bit of work to make things work. Think of it as, a light bulb. You're gonna have to switch it on. You need to flick that switch for it to work and function properly. Now, you're probably wondering how you make money passively. How do you actually make money passively? How do you earn an income passively? The easiest way to earn income passively is to have systems in place that can automate the process for you. And the only way you can achieve this is by starting an online business. With an online business, it's very easy for you to automate the process to make money passively. There's so many online business options out there for you to get started with. From starting a blog, to affiliate marketing, to drop shipping, to writing your own ebooks and publishing your own ebooks, to even starting a YouTube channel. Now, as you can see, you will need to invest a little bit of time and a little bit of energy initially, but as time goes on, your business can then build momentum and run on its own. Now, think of a passive business as property, for example. Now, in order to make money from property, you need to get the tools and resources required to construct that building in the first place. So now the building is up and running, you can then lease it out or you can rent it out to people, and then it will start generating your money indefinitely. You're gonna have to put in the hard work. It's gonna take a while, unfortunately, but it's definitely going to be worth it. And the good thing about passive businesses is you can actually run a passive business whilst working full-time, because the process can be easily automated. So you can have that business running and making money for you whilst you're still doing your job, to bring in that income initially, because it's not going to be an overnight process, okay? However, if you're able to go through that phase of consistency, putting in the work that you need to get things up and running, you find it very rewarding in the long run. YouTube is just one of my passive streams of income. I have videos that I recorded 2-3 years ago that are actually making me money this day without me having to do anything. And that's one of the powerful benefits of having a passive business. Sometimes I go to bed at night and I wake up to PayPal notifications with money that I've actually made whilst I was sleeping. I didn't have to be physically present online. I had people purchasing my products from different parts of the world. I didn't have to travel to all those places to sell my products to them. They come to me to buy my products. And that's how it's so easy to make money whilst you sleep, to make money on complete autopilot, and how you're able to actually start a passive-based business. So if you're interested in making your money work for you, you should definitely start looking into creating passive streams of income, because that's the only way you can automate this process and make yourself money in the long run. How will it feel to actually control your money rather than having your money control you? Wouldn't that be great? What would that mean to you? A happier lifestyle, perhaps? The choice is yours.